Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who's always on the lookout for a foundation that gives you that flawless, natural glow without feeling heavy, today's review might just hit the mark for you. We're talking about the Clinique Even Better Makeup Foundation Broad Spectrum SPF 15. A liquid foundation designed to even out your skin tone, reduce dark spots, and provide medium coverage with a natural finish. Sounds like a lot, right? Let's break it down and see if it lives up to the hype. This foundation claims to not only provide buildable coverage, but also to help improve the skin over time, thanks to its infusion of vitamin C. It's specifically formulated for those with dry to very dry skin, making it ideal for anyone who struggles with foundation that accentuates dryness. With the added bonus of SPF 15, this product also promises a little protection from those harmful UV rays while you go about your day. Now let's talk about the experience. Applying this foundation feels like a dream. It's not thick or heavy, quite the opposite. The liquid formula is smooth and easy to blend into the skin, and I loved how it didn't leave my skin feeling tight or dry, which is a common issue with foundations designed for drier skin types. It gave me just the right amount of coverage to even out redness and dark spots, without feeling like I was wearing a mask. It's definitely buildable, so if you prefer more coverage, you can layer it without worrying about it looking cakey. During real-world testing, I wore this foundation for a full day. It held up surprisingly well even after a few hours in dry conditions. There was no noticeable settling into fine lines, and my skin didn't feel dry or uncomfortable, which is a huge plus for anyone with dry skin. However, after about 6 hours, I did notice a slight dullness setting in, but nothing too extreme. Now let's get into the pros and cons. Pros: lightweight, natural finish. It provides medium coverage without feeling heavy, which is fantastic for those who want a natural, everyday look. Buildable. You can layer it for more coverage without it becoming cakey. SPF 15. It's always nice to see a little extra protection built right into your makeup. Vitamin C. The inclusion of vitamin C helps improve the skin's appearance over time, which could be a great bonus for anyone dealing with hyperpigmentation or uneven skin tone. Cons: dullness over time. While the foundation looks great initially, I noticed it could lose a little of its radiance as the day went on, especially if you have drier skin. Limited shade range. For those with deeper skin tones, you may find that this product doesn't offer a broad enough selection. When it comes to value for money, I'd say this product is pretty decent. It's priced at the mid to high end of the spectrum, but the added skincare benefits, like the vitamin C and the broad spectrum SPF, do offer something extra for the price. If you're someone with dry skin who struggles to find foundations that provide hydration while evening out your complexion, it's a solid choice. In terms of comparisons, Clinique's Even Better Foundation stands out because of its combination of skincare benefits and medium coverage. However, if you're on a tighter budget, foundations like Maybelline's Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth Foundation might give you a similar finish for a fraction of the price. That said, you're paying for quality and added skincare with Clinique, so the price may be justified if that's what you're looking for. As for build quality, the packaging is simple, sleek, and easy to use. The pump dispenses just the right amount of product, which makes application mess-free. It's also travel-friendly, which is always a bonus. So what's the final verdict? Clinique's Even Better Foundation definitely holds its own in terms of providing medium coverage with a natural finish. If you have dry skin and want a foundation that feels comfortable all day while also helping to improve your skin over time, it's definitely worth considering. However, if you're looking for something that offers a dewy finish throughout the day, or if you need a wider shade range, you might want to look elsewhere. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic. If you've tried this foundation, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. And remember, stay beautiful inside and out.